Hi, Writing 101S teachers. For those of you who are new, I wanted to make sure you knew how to get into our Writing 101S Co-op 5, where there's lots of resources for you. So if you go into My Pima and scroll down to D2L, then you can see the Writing 101S Co-op 5. You can pin it so it's always at the top. If you hit these three dots, you can hit pin as well. So once you go into the co-op, you can see that I removed the content browser because I kind of think it confuses students. So I offer that they just click content. So why don't you do that as well? So if you click content, you can see everything that's available for you. So at the top, I have a sample Writing 101S course that you can borrow material from. You can clone the whole thing, revise it as you want. If you click on it, you can see that it opens up. Notice how these words here and then the words underneath are slightly tucked under. That's letting you know that all of this is inside of that. If you go back to content, it closes up and you can see the other main categories. So in the course, I have the syllabus up. I did this in May, and so the syllabus template for fall 18 was not yet available, so I'm going to look through and see if there's any tweaks I need to do to bring it up to speed. For Essay 1, you can see that I have the where students will upload their assignments, and then I've got for each day what we're doing. So if you click on any of them, you can see that I have hyperlinked in the readings that they need. I've also hyperlinked in any writing OER materials and reading OER materials, so they don't need a textbook. So we've got an Essay 1 there. If we just go back, you can see, in addition, I've got Essay 2 materials. Let's take a look at a session there where they upload their materials, and then take a look at Essay 2. I'm doing a rhetorical analysis of a speech, taking off of Eric Aldrich's wonderful assignment, although I've added some other kind of speeches, and having students take a look at that. We're going to practice together doing a rhetorical analysis and looking at how ethos, logos is used and misused in these speeches. Sorry, don't want to hurt your eyes. Let's go back. You can see in Essay 3, got material in here where they upload their assignments, and then let's take a look at one of these days. So I have everything hyperlinked in for all the different resources that they need. Okay, going back to the table of contents. So the first one has that whole sample 101S course that you can open up, and you can see it's tucked under. That's everything involved. Or you can go back to content to close it up and see that I also have things for teachers in terms of the collaborative sharing meetings. When we were allowed to meet weekly, I had material up here for teachers to look at. So you can see the resources, and you can see what we used to talk about when we were allowed and paid for meeting once a week. So that material is up there, and resources for those teachers as well, including some how-tos. In other words, how to change the D2L, your D2L shell, so that might be useful. Moving down, we've got the semester startup. A few teachers have put in some things in there that they've done. We've got things to prep for Essay 1. A few teachers have put in things there as well. And then for Essay 1, we have an opportunity for people to upload their material. And here are things that people have uploaded in the past. When people have done a narrative argument about their education, here's material. They've also done a digital narrative assignment. So we have a couple of assignments, peer reviews and self-assessments and rubrics, all for Essay 1. Remember, you can always go back if things get kind of confusing, hit table of contents, it closes up everything, and then you can scroll down again. So for Essay 2, you can see that some people have done analyzing a speech. They've done analyzing a commercial space, and there are assignments there, analyzing a TV show. Again, for Essay 2, we have peer reviews and norming. And for Essay 3, we have material as well, a community controversy, song controversy. So you can see how other teachers have done it if you want to borrow any of these assignments. So peruse and enjoy. If you do want to clone the course of the sample course, let me know and I can arrange that for you. Let me know if you have any questions. I just want to make sure that you see that this resource is available for you. So have a great semester. Bye.